Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, I was showing the navigation module in our Qt car HMI application or our Qt QML application. In this video, I will show you the Qt multimedia player application or multimedia player functionality in our Qt QML application or Qt car HMI application. So just let me run this application. So you can see I defined here one simple song which is name is pretty girl, and this is the some metadata like thumbnail images and some image property, music property like artist name. So you can see this is I designed a simple uh, multimedia player application in our Qt car HMI application. So here I add your player start and stop music play functionality, and also add the volume control functionality in our Qt application. So you can also control the set the mute or unmute functionality. Here I also add the some next previous and next uh, music player controls in here, and here I also add the shuffle controls in our application. You can also change or design the or add the functionality as per your requirement, like it would be a great if you add the volume control slider here, so it would be a great for the user. So this is the basic simple car HMI multimedia player application which I design in Qt QML application. Or also you can add this some more functionality like a playlist functionality, or also connect this music applications, like you can also get the some music from the any third party application like Spotify and other things. So this is the basic multimedia player functionality which I add in Qt car HMI application. So I focus on the functionality, not more than the design. So I add the some basic functionality here. You can also control the duration here from here by adjust here by this slider. So this is the basic simple multimedia player application which I add in a Qt car HMI application. So thanks for watching my video. Please drop your comment if you have any questions about this application, and please like this video and share this video to your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.